Hey there, speculators. It is Rod, Traders Dev Group, and welcome back to the channel. Big news, we got a name change here. If you are a subscriber of Futures on Fire, you can see that it's now called, and I am now, the Futures Fanatic. So had a mutual parting of ways with a partner that decided they wanted to retain the Futures on Fire name. So no problem. We still got all the videos and everything going on here, but we're now the Futures Fanatic. So it's Futures Fanatic, part of TDG, the Traders Dev Group, where we provide education software and strategies for active futures traders and self-directed investors. And again, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here and you dig what I'm going to talk about tonight, or heck, just take a leap of faith, just hit that little subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know the next time we're broadcasting, and hit the like if you end up liking this video. Here's what we're going to talk about tonight. I have finally, after a lot of work, come up with a range trader, a look over here on Tradovate that I really like. If you are unfamiliar with Tradovate, it is a trading platform that is white labeled, meaning it is being used by a number of different trading firms, including TopStep, which is a prop trading firm. And the screen that we're looking at right now is a evaluation that I've been going on. It's been going on for a long time. So I did a few videos here where we talked about ways that you could pass these programs, but more importantly, ways you could practice before you actually took the program so that you don't blow up. So blow up meaning hit the drawdown or not be successful in the program. So I am still in this phase. I've got 50,715 here. But what I have is a template that I just really dig here. And if you followed some of the channel here, again at Futures Fanatic, formerly Futures on Fire, you know that I've talked a lot about slowing down, doing a lot less scalping, a lot less trading, and just trading off of 30-minute profiles. And this is what we have over here. By the way, if you are interested in getting a free copy of this Workspace template, this is the template I'm working with right here. It's called TDG Rod, and you can actually import it to your own Tradovate work environment. Please check the description below on this video, or you might be watching this somewhere else. There should be a little form where you can sign up, but there should be a description below, which will take you to a page that looks something like this. Just give me your name and email, and I'd be happy to send you out this template absolutely free. Of course, you could rename it and change it, but at least to give you a sense of what I have going on here. So let me just really quickly tell you about some of the updates that Tradovate has made here and how I think it's a lot closer to what we do over on NinjaTrader and a strategy that I am currently trading to get through this particular program. So the first thing is what we have on here. And again, if you check the description below, you can download these for yourself. But what we have on here, it's right here. We have the volume profile, okay? Now, the volume profile is an indicator. In the past, you had to actually use a drawing tool to apply the volume profile and have it look like this. Now, they have added the ability to just add a volume profile. This is included for free in any version of the Tradovate platform that you have. And again, without getting too detailed here, again, Tradovate, you could use it. You could use their platform just as a Tradovate customer, and also TopStep Trader uses this platform. It looks exactly the same, and they call it the TST Trader. Okay, so I am technically in the TST Trader. You can't see the address bar here, but I'm at trader.tradovate.com, and that is for the TopStep program. All right, so what I have applied here is I have a volume profile, and what I'll do is double click on this and show you all the things that I have here. But again, just click the link below if you're interested in getting this Workspace template. You should be able to import it and have all these settings. So I use a value area of 78, okay? And I have the bar height set to 6, max width to 160. I like my live alignment to be to the right side and the prior profiles to be on the left side. And then I have the upper value lines shown there. So again, you can sort of see what's happening here. And then in other videos, I've talked a little bit about how you can basically trade the edges. This is a mean reversion strategy, and essentially you want to be shorting the top end of the range, buying the bottom end of the range, and for the most part, much prefer trading with trend, and that would be a buy down here at whatever. I won't give you these prices because this video will get old and the prices will look old at some point in the very near future. And this right here is a 233 EMA. Okay, it's a 233 EMA. The one drawback of Tradovate versus some of the other platforms is, as of now, I have not been able to find out a way to import or display a lot more data. So if you have longer, what's the right way to describe it? If you have higher value moving averages and things that are going to require more data to be accurate, there's a little bit of a problem here, but I've gotten it to the point where I can pull in about 9 to 10 days, and that's enough to make our T line here or our trend filter work out pretty well. All right, so right now I am in a few trades. I am short the M2K and the MYM and long the MNQ. If we just take a look at the M2K as an example of why we're short, you can see that we'll come up here and right at the T line, right in here, okay, is where we got short. So we have what we call confluence here. We're at the top end of the range. There's some structure from the left. We have a with trend short that we can put on right there, and that's where we're going. Our target would be actually all the way down here at basically the prior session's lows. So speaking of prior session's lows, here is a few other things that are on this chart. Previous open, high, low, close, and you can grab that from the public library. The Tradovate, like many other platforms, has a public library. Now, NinjaTrader is going to get you the largest by far public library, as well as have a lot of different developers for that. But and TradingView is also super. But Tradovate's catching up, and we will be also providing some free indicators, little enhancements, our versions of them, to the platform very soon. And then here's that exponential moving average. Okay, so again, volume profile applied, a open, high, low, close. Very, very important. There's 4 levels that we want to know about in the range trader. We want to know what is the prior session's high and low, because that's going to be key price points for the current session. What is the developing value area highs and lows, which is a 78% range around the point of control. Okay. What are the Globex highs and lows? Okay. And then what are the prior week's highs and lows? All right. But for the most part, we're most interested in prior sessions. In this case, I'm making this on a Sunday evening. That would be Friday, of course. So you're looking at prior sessions, highs and lows, developing value area, and then the level of the T line is also important. Okay, so there we go. That is what we got going on here. It's a pretty simple template. I only have a 30-minute, and then I also have a 5-minute going on here as well. And the 5-minute is simply just a naked chart with a 34-period moving average on it, and that is it. Over here on the left, I have a number of different workspaces, watch lists. Down here, just a little bit positions and orders, and then the performance center. I really like the performance center that we got going on here. All right, so we will leave it there for now, and let me just do a quick other little review. This is going to make this video a little timely for today. By the way, Happy New Year. It is the first video I'm recording for 2021, and everything is already kind of mixed this evening. The only thing that's really rocking and rolling up maybe 20% on the year already is some of the cryptocurrencies. But to give you a sense of what it's like if you follow along with us a little bit more closely, we actively trade the futures markets for daily income. Just wanted to talk about a few things, which is one, well, I don't have it on here, never mind. But quietly, or not so quietly, lest we forget, the NASDAQ was up 44% in 2021. So we'll see what it holds in 2020. We'll see what it holds in 2021. What I'm really looking for is just mean reversion and some ranges, a little less strong trends. So roll the dice. We will see what happens. That'll be it for tonight. Again, you can check the link below. While you are moving your mouse below, if you're not already a subscriber here, please do hit the subscribe button. Turn on the little bell notification. You'll be notified next time that we broadcast. What we're doing here at Futures Fanatic, since I'm a fanatic about futures, is showing folks how the futures markets lend themselves very, very nicely to learning how to actively trade, learning how to chart. And for a variety of reasons, we feel that they are better ways to start your trading career than the very, very popular things like equities. But let's see if we can convince you of that fact by you becoming a futures fanatic along with us. All right. We'll leave it there for now. Again, my name is Rod with Futures Fanatic, part of TDG, the Traders Dev Group. Happy 2021. Let's crush it this year. There's going to be tremendous amounts of opportunities. Volatility is here to stay, but more important, velocity, the speed of these moves are here. So if you can find the edges and the right areas in the markets, you get rewarded pretty quickly. We'll see you at the next update. Thanks.